Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to get your Roblox ID on mobile device. To do that, you need to do this process on Google Chrome or browser on your mobile device, as you cannot get your user ID of the Roblox from the Roblox application. So open the Google Chrome. There on the search bar, you type in roblox.com and tap on search. Once you do that, you will have this option of continue in app and continue in browser. For this process, you tap on continue in browser. Now here you are at the Roblox homepage. If you are not logged in, first thing you need to do is get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in and currently at the homepage, you tap on the profile icon of yours. Tap on profile. Once you're at the profile page, tap on the search bar or the URL box on top. And here you will have the Roblox URL. Here you can see the roblox.com/users/ and there's number/profile. The Roblox user ID is the number on the URL. So the number just beside the user is the Roblox user ID of yours. The user ID is different with each profile. This number will only be directed to your user profile account. So if you want to share your user ID with someone, all you need to do is copy this number and send it. So this is how you can get your Roblox user ID on mobile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.